Hello everyone. Today we will be learning technical drawings of some of the skirts. I'll be drawing the half side and then we will flip it. Let's start with the basic skirt. First of all, we will draw the waist. Now I'll draw the hip line, which will extend straight downwards to the hem. Draw the hemline, which will have a slight curve from the side seam. Lastly, I draw the belt of the skirt. Here is your half side of the basic skirt. The second skirt is tapered skirt. We start by drawing the waist. Keep in mind that the hem of this skirt will be tapered, which means that the width of the hem will be slightly less than the waist. That is why it's also called pencil skirt. I will go inside from the actual waist measurement. Here the hem will be a little low from the center, giving it a slight curve. The third is the A-line skirt. I start again with the waist and belt. In this skirt there is no defined hip shape due to the slanted side seam, which gives flair to the skirt like the letter A. Now I flip the three skirts to show you the full technical drawing. The first the basic, second the tapered, and third the A-line. Lastly, I will mark the zippers on the left side seam, which shows the closure of the skirts. Now I will show you some pleated skirts. Let's start with the knife pleat skirt. The first three steps are similar. I draw the waist, belt and side seam like the A-line skirt. The hem of the skirt resembles the edges of a knife due to the type of pleating, where the fabric is folded in such a way that it creates a sharp, narrow fold. As it is not symmetrical, so I am drawing full hem. To show the pleats, I draw straight lines from each sharp fold to the waist. So this is your complete knife pleat skirt. The second skirt is called box pleat. When two folds of fabric are folded away from each other, they give a wide vertical pleat, thus forming a box. While drawing it, I draw a straight line that starts from hem and goes up to the waist. This is the first pleat. I draw the second pleat from where the first pleat is ending. Here I can see a box, and here the two lines are meeting at point 0, forming an inverted pleat on the inside. Now I flip it. The last is the inverted box pleat skirt, which is the reverse of a box pleat skirt. As you can see that in box pleat skirt the box is on the outside, whereas here the box will be on the inside. I am drawing the pleats, which resembles the shape of a cone. Here is the complete skirt. It is the opposite of the box pleat skirt. You can see the difference in the three skirts. Lastly, I will mark the zippers on the left side seam, which shows the closure of the skirts. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos, and if you find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.